Okay, so Thursday again, I'm back at college. I'm the apprentice plumber. I'm here with the plumbing lecturer. So today, he's going to show you a parallel set, but the quick way to do it. I mean, I'll let Rich explain as usual. I'll just pass you on.
Okay. Hi guys. So last time we did this, I showed you how to do parallel set and measuring it. So you take it out, you measure it on the bench to get the exact centre to centre. But today I'm going to quicken that up even more, if you thought that was possible. Might be interesting for your students, some of you people on the tools, it might be interesting for you. You probably already know it, but I'm going to go through it. It's going to make it easy for you. So, if you just have a look at this here, today I'm going to do two. I've got one there 60. Now we normally do a 30-degree angle for anything up to 60. If it's going to go over 60, we're going to do a 45, okay? So, what we're going to do is our 30-degree set first. Now, thing to remember, and I'll write it down, if you're doing a 30-degree angle, it's times 2. So 2 60s equals 120, so millimetres. So that's what we're doing here. We've marked over that line 120. Okay? Now, when we know that's true, and we've got our bender set up, we don't have to do all this. We put it into our 30-degree mark on our bender there. And we're going to go round to our 30. Stop just there. I went to that, it's bounced back. Don't worry if it bounced back. Once you hit the mark, you're okay. Now this is the point where it comes in, it comes fast, because I'm not going to take it out and measure it. I'm just going to slip through to the next mark that I've made on the pipe, because I've measured that on the pipe. Get it straight. And go round to the 30 again. And there we go. Bang on. Wow. So all I did, I measured my pipe like this one. On this one, I've done 120. Now, it's a little bit different for a 45. It's a little bit more difficult, and you might need to use your phone. All right? Because what we do here, 100 times 1.4. And I know from experience that equals 140 millimetres. But whatever the distance is, times it by 1.4. So in this case, it's 140. And I know that just from experience. And as you go on, you'll get to know. So from the start, 140. And that'll give you a 45-degree angle. So on here, again, that's my first bend. I've measured 140 just to make it a bit quicker for this demo. This time I'm going to put it in to the mark where I would go for my, just as it hits that.
And that's a 45 degree.
That's a 40 for if I'm doing a 45.
So the last one was to there.
To 30.
And this one now.
45.
Yep.
So I do my first bend. Always make sure you check where your mark is when you put it in. And I'm going to go around there to hit the 45, and it bounces back.
Yep.
Don't worry about that. Once you hit the mark, that's great. I haven't got to take it, well, I haven't got to do any more measurements. To the 45, make sure you're on it there. Yeah, I'm on it. Oh, sorry. This is
as real as it gets, guys.
You can't get no more real than that. Okay, get it nice and straight. Come round, 45.
Nice.
Lovely jubbly. There you go. So, I hope that's helped you. We're always here if you need any advice or whatever, give us a shout, DM me. I'll get back to you. Just want to wish everyone a happy Christmas and all the best for the new year. Thanks for all your views and your follows. Good luck. But before I go, I think Cole should have a go at this.
Oh,
just
God.
to prove that it can be done.
Okay. Oh, okay. Right. What are we doing?
Yeah,
This one?
yeah. So he's marking out his first mark, where it's going to start. So it's a 60, and he's going to double that up, so 120. Any 30-degree angle, you just double up. It's easy, that one is easy. Don't need a calculator, just double it up. And don't forget, you've got fingers, you've got toes.
First time I've the camera, says that.
Yeah. Pressure's on.
Okay, so I'm on the 30.
Yeah. Round to the 30. Just turn it over. Make sure you turn it out the other way. That's it.
Oops, make it look easy now.
There you go. Proof's in the pudding.
Okay.
You happy with that?
The reality of it is, guys, the apprentice strikes again. That is not perfect at all. But do you know what?
That's bang on, isn't it? Now, always, I'll just show you this. Remember those. For a 30-degree angle, double. For a 45-degree, times it by 1.4.
Okay, so as Rich said, everyone has a good Christmas, and yeah, I'd just like to point out that is the least straight set I have ever done. Have a good Christmas. See you later.